Do I push the start button?
Yeah, you just turn on your computer.
Yeah. The start button?
You just hold on. Just hold on a second, sir. Hello?
Hello?
So, sir, your computer is on right now?
What's that, sorry?
I believe that your computer is on now.
Yes, I've pushed the start button.
Alright, so, sir, whenever you just get the main screen or the desktop screen, just let me know, alright?
Okay, no problems. Okay, they've done the start button.
Can you just tell me how old is your computer?
Oh, it's probably about a year old now, I'd say, my computer.
Alright.
Okay, I've pushed the start button.
So, did you got the main screen or main screen now?
Yep, the screen.
The icon?
Yep, the screen's up.
What exactly you can see over there? Can you just tell me? Can you see the icons over there? Or just it's showing you starting?
The computer's already started up. It's all up and running now.
Alright. So, sir, now just give a look at your keyboard on the extreme left bottom corner. Can you find the CTRL control key?
Yeah. Is that near the start button?
No.
Is that the bottom left of the screen, the start button?
Besides that control key, you will get a start button.
Yeah, the start button.
So, sir, you have to press that start button along with the letter R as in Romeo.
Okay, start button.
Press the start button and the letter R both
Start button.
Just press the start button.
Yeah, I've pushed the start button.
And then press the letter R together.
The start? Is that the start button?
Hold it for a while. Just press it, hold it for a while, and just press the letter R.
So start. Is that the start button? I pushed the start button for a long time.
And listen to me, leave that. Listen to me carefully. You have to press the start button and the letter R both together.
Ah, the start button. Okay, I've pushed the start button.
And the letter R. After pressing the start button, what do you get over there?
No, just this, nothing. It's just the start button.
What did you get on your screen? Can you just tell me after pressing the start button?
Just the start button. Is that the start button?
I'm asking you, after pressing the start button, what you get on your screen? Can you just tell me?
Yeah, the start button.
Only the start button.
Yeah, just the start button.
Press that start button.
Okay, so I press the start button.
And then what you get on your screen?
The start button? Hello?
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 So did you press the start button?
Yes, I've pushed the start button.
So what did you get out there?
Just the start button, really.
So do you think I'm joking?
What, about the start button? I've pushed the start button.
So do you think I'm joking?
Joking about the start button? Why would you be joking about the start button? Is this a joke? Are you joking with me? Is this a joke?